pretty much anybody is a good candidate. So if you have, when I say anybody who has lost teeth, spaces, full dentures, upper, lower, a lot of times people that have bridges, or they have a situation where they have a tooth followed by a space and then a tooth, that's a great situation. Sometimes we can place them. There are some kind of limitations being the actual sinus itself, where that sinus is, but anybody who has basically lost teeth, anybody that is frustrated with how they're chewing or their smile or their lower denture flying around, you guys are all great candidates. And again, give us a call, give us an opportunity to show you what kinds of things that we can do.